Good morning, everybody. Got a bit of a busy day ahead of us here. We got Dawson and Noah on the bagger right now, and we've got a custom bag order going out later. I've got the list here. We've got 110 bags of playground, 150 bags of topsoil, and then 40 bags of fine sand. So 300 total. We got the old trusty there. I got them both energy drinks as well because we got a busy day ahead of us. We got the first stack going on there. That's 55 bags. We're gonna do 2 of those. And then after that, we'll probably switch to the topsoil and then we'll finish with the sand because the sand is probably the easiest to do. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys how it's going here. And then once we're done the second skid, I'll update you guys. So I'll see you then. Check our corners, make sure no one's trying to lurk or anything. Dan for?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, right here.
I was just wondering if you had checked the emergency shut-off button.
And she's empty. Alrighty. I stole the camera back from Noah and I hopped in the 30 to try and fix these forks so I can pick up those skids, but it doesn't look like they want to budge here. There we go. That's probably good. I don't want to go too much wider than that, but yeah, I've got 2 skids right there. I'm gonna move and put them so we can use them for the next 2 topsoil skids. And then I'm gonna take the 2 skids, sorry, of the playground. And I'm gonna put those, I think, up against the corner. The delivery isn't till Monday, but I might tell one of the inside people to call them a little preemptively, just let them know it's ready. So if they do want to come get it, it's all ready, but I can always move them. Oh, sounds like I just broke the skid. That bottom skid was already a little broken, so that's actually okay. Well, not okay that I broke it, but not as bad as if it was a fresh skid, you know? And I might just toss these right under there. Awesome. Yeah, you can see the front of the skid. I might actually grab another one, but we will see. Now, moving these is kind of my least favorite thing. Simply because they're just so, I mean, I did shrink wrap them very well. I think my forks are a little too wide. Nope, we're good. I did shrink wrap them really well. Oh, come on. There we go. But these bags to begin with are super slippery, and I really see you move the shovel for me. Perfect. I really don't want to drop these, so we're just gonna take it. Thanks. Nice and easy. Customer coming around for...
Customer coming around, a long order. It's 2 bags of Algonquin pea gravel, 3 bags of 50/50, 2 bags of grow turf, and 6 rustic pine. That was 2 bags of Algonquin pea gravel, 3 50/50, 2 grow turf, 6 rustic pine.
This one I might have to pull a bit, just because I don't want my tires hitting anything here. Actually, I might be okay. surprised these are holding up so well. I mean, I did shrink wrap the heck out of it, but this one looks way better than that one. I tried to do something funky on the top with those, and I regretted it afterwards. Like, why didn't I just do it normal? Perfect. That skid is kind of busted. Crap. I think it was busted before I picked it up though. You can see it's kind of got broken there. Okay, maybe I'll put a screw in it just to hold it over so I can put it on their trailer. But yeah, sweet. Back this up here. Awesome. Yeah, so we got the 2 playground right there, and we're gonna get started on the topsoil now, and I guess I'll update you guys when those are done. So, see you then. So, a little bit of time has gone by. Gotten those 3 done. Topsoil, so that's 150 bags. We've got the 2 playground done. It is starting to rain, but we're gonna try and work through the rain here. They're setting it up for sand. I'm gonna go grab it. Hopefully, you know, we can get this done within the next 20 minutes because it seems a little, I mean, it's kind of annoying if we have to pack everything up and then do it tomorrow. I did want to have the order ready for today. So I think we're just gonna tough through the rain. It's not supposed to pour until about an hour, but we'll see. So I'm just gonna start with a half because it does start pouring. I don't want to have too much in there, so I'm just gonna bring a little bit, but I don't think it'll take that long. You know, we're pretty quick going with 3 guys, so yeah. So I had to go like this because I thought I was in the other loader for a sec. All right. Let's dial in here. I'm not gonna let a little rain stop me. Did you crank it? That looks pretty good. So that looks pretty good. Put the counter on here.
How many bags? 40.
40.
Did you just bring a half?
Yeah. I didn't bring a full half just in case.
It starts like pouring.
Just in case it starts pouring. All right, hold on. Counter.
Is the camera gonna be fine in the rain?
Should be. It's weather resistant.
Not put the cover on it?
No, because then you can't hear the audio. All right, we're good. No. Seal broke.
Okay, that'll be good now.
I gotta not slam it. I'll go get more.
We're halfway, Alex. Grab the same thing, we're halfway.
Perfect. Only another half to do, and it's not pissing rain yet, so we might beat it here. Got some stuff on my bicep. Actually, no, that looks like a lot. I'll just dump it on this side. Yeah, it's way more than 20 bags there. That might do it. Actually, that looked like a little less than we need. Sweet. Stack the rest on the cart, or on the, yeah.
All right, make sure to enter the giveaway for a free bag of 50/50.
A free bag of mystery fill.
Any mystery soil or mystery mulch. You should definitely do that. That'd be so funny. Girls in giveaway, bro.
We thought about it. Not a mystery fill, but like a t-shirt or something.
A t-shirt and
Just a, what is someone gonna do with a bag of soil, bro?
you can pick either a soil of your choice or a mulch of your choice. You're welcome to do a gift.
5 bags of half-inch clear. 5 bags of half-inch clear.
Okay, just in time. I'm in this machine. It's not looking too clean, so I apologize for the view, but it's just starting to rain now. This is done. I'm gonna scoop this up. Just want to make sure Noah's out of the way there. Not bad. It's 12:15, and I mean, we kind of started at like 9-ish. So we did some other stuff this morning, but I mean, 300 bags in 3 hours. It's, you know, basically bagged, stacked, shrink wrapped, everything. That's kind of it's kind of impressive, you know. Just toss that there. They're gonna pack that up. But yeah, we have 110 bags of playground material, 150 bags of topsoil, and then 40 bags of fine sand. So I don't know if I told you guys already, but we gave them like a delivery time of 4 days. Like we were told them Monday would be the pickup time. It's currently Wednesday and we're done. So if they can come and pick it up today, I will record that. Excuse me, but if not, you know, that's it. I'm gonna help them clean this up real quick because the rain's starting to come down here. Really glad we beat it. Hey Nate, is the seat out of the way? Yeah. We're gonna...
Oh, don't take it. Where's the plug?
Yeah. Alrighty, it's all hooked up. They're gonna clean that up, and that's probably their day. They might just do some cleanup inside for the rest of the day. I am actually leaving slightly early today because I've got a dentist appointment, which is probably one of my least favorite things to do. I'm not very fond of the dentist. I've never had a tooth issue. Never had a tooth issue in my life, but I I just don't like going. I go once a year, which some people are like, oh my God, how do you only go once a year? I'm like, well, I brush my teeth. I don't over brush my teeth. I floss. I have those like dental grade tooth scalps that they use there. So like I clean my teeth myself. So, but I don't think you guys are ready for the dentists are a scam conversation. Not entirely. Some people do need them. But I'm not gonna get political about the dentist on a dirt making YouTube channel. This machine's creep speed is terrible, but I never go too fast in here. Just cause but anyways, that's that. I'm gonna park this, chill until I gotta leave a little early, and that's my day. So I will catch you guys next time. Peace.